So yesterday I had some help from Reese and Kit to mill some logs, but today I'm on my own. This will be the first time I've tried doing any milling by myself. I'm not even sure if I can do it, but I'm going to try. So I have here a pretty heavy log. Moving these logs is the hardest part. This is green white oak, 20 inches in diameter and 8 feet long. You can see I've got it on some ramps to go up to the mill. I have to move it up the rest of the ramps and over the rail to center it on the mill. It's been held up by a wedge with a couple of logs as backup for the time being. And I'm going to try and move it onto the mill. Move that log in place. Move that log in place. Reposition the woodchuck. Safety log. Safety log. Okay. Wonder if I can do it from this side. There we go. Onto the mill. GoPro, stop video.